We want to kind of take a look at where your system is. We have these early ad hoc systems where it might be a little copy and paste components. It doesn't sound like a whole bunch of folks are in this early phase, right? A lot of engineers might be building from scratch. And then we kind of have like the catalog system. Here we have maybe a Figma library that exists. Components might not be super composable. We might have some variables and tokens established. Code might be a little disconnected, right? We might not be leveraging things like Code Connect, or they might not be in parity, like property names might not be in parity, things like that. We might be on the structured side where Figma and code is aligned. The token architecture is in place. We've got some basic governance. Humans are shipping consistently. Then we have kind of level 4, which is the validated, where rules fail, CI, it's not just reviews. We have schema-driven documentation. Agents are able to produce a usable output, and we're able to catch that drift. And the final stage is really like that full agentic, where we have full JSON schema coverage, AI is providing shippable UI, humans really reviewing the work, and really maybe even as reviewing just really high priority work and not everything. Maybe there's lower priority work that's being shipped just automatically. Most teams kind of identify in this cataloged or structured. I'd say based on the poll that we had, everyone's probably like level 3, maybe starting to move into level 4. And so this is where we end up talking to a lot of teams and kind of where they are in the current process. Now, with AI kind of touching everything, there's really this part of the newer design system is this additional tooling that really helps us connect these automated dots, right? And it's happening at every layer across our design system, right? All the way down to the primitive level where we might have like a design.md that's helping us generate or helping us maintain the context of tokens across various different tools. We're definitely going to have updates to our agents.md file that's going to help with routing and choosing the right things. We might have some linter tools that's going to help design files become foundational structured elements that catch any mistakes in the design file before we hand that over. So really, there's a lot of things that are being touched in the design system that really builds up this agentic workflow.